Technology and livelihood education, bread and pastry production. Bread and pastry production, first quarter, lesson 5. Our topic is mixing techniques. In mixing, two or more ingredients are evenly dispersed in one another until they become one product. Mixing is a general term that includes stirring, beating, blending, binding, creaming, whipping, and folding. Each mixing methods gives a different texture and character to the baked good. You have applied the appropriate mixing technique because it greatly affects flour mixture and its resulting product. Overmixing or overkneading of bread dough will result to a bread which is tough. And be careful also when it comes to gluten-free batters because overmixing can knock out all the air and result in dense, very heavy breads. So use a light hand and don't get too vigorous when mixing up the batter, especially when mixing by hand. Mixing techniques. Mixing methods greatly affect flour mixture and its resulting product. Various techniques have been developed for efficiency and convenience. Some of them are as follows. First is the creaming. Rubbing one or two ingredients in a bowl with the help of a wooden spoon or electric mixer to make a soft, fluffy mixture. The creamed mixture should have both smooth and grainy particles. Another mixing technique is the cutting-in method. Mixing fat and flour with the use of pastry blender or two knives in a scissor-like manner. This method cuts fat into small pieces, coating them with flour to form coarse, granular mixture for pastries and biscuits. Another mixing technique is the folding. Folding is working with two ingredients very gently to retain air in the mixture. It often involves one delicate textured ingredients such as beaten egg white or whipped cream, which would be reduced to nothing if handled crudely, and a batter type mix. The cut and fold method. It is a combination of two motions, cutting vertically through the mixture and turning over and over by gliding the spoon or rubber scraper across the bottom of the mixing bowl at each turn. Next is the beating. It is done to incorporate air in mixture by mechanical agitation. It could be done with the aid of special gadgets like wire whips, egg beaters, or electric food mixer, or with a fork. Stirring. It is done with a wooden spoon, rotating it through a mixture as long as necessary, usually until the ingredients are combined. Whipping. It is a process of beating eggs and cream to fill them with air and make them thick and fluffy. And finally, the sifting technique. It is the process of separating coarse particles in the ingredients by passing through a sieve. Air is incorporated through this method. A time to remember. This is Maylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching.